Hi guys, welcome to Tech News. My name is Gautam. Today I am going to show you 1 lakh PC build. I used all these products to build this PC. I am going to show you now each and every product. Firstly, this headset. I used this headset for gaming. So it is very comfortable to wear this. Very nice. There is no strain for ears. Very comfortable, clear sounds you can hear. So this one is from HP, model number is H100. Nice headset for gaming. So next, I used this wireless keyboard and mouse from Dell. Model number is KM117. Nice keyboard from Dell. So next, I used this Samsung Evo Plus, Samsung 970 Evo Plus NVMe M.2 slot, 500 GB. Read and write speed is 3500 Mbps per second and 3400 Mbps per second. It's nice M2 slot, SSD for storage from Samsung. And next I used two Corsair RAMs. I used two Corsair RAMs, each one 8 GB and 8 GB DDR4 32 MHz RAMs. So it's nice products here from Corsair. So they mention low profile memory for high performance overclocking. So you can overclock it also. So next I used power supply. This one is from Antec. So 650 watts power supply. This one is semi-modular power supply, 80 plus gold. So it will give you consistent power. Nice. From Antec. Next, I used UPS from APC. This model number is 1100 VA. So nice model. Backup, for backup 50 minutes runtime they mentioned in here. So for UPS from APC. So next I used this graphics card from MSI, 4 GB graphics card, 1650 Super, dual fan and amazing feature Turing architecture. So nice graphics card. So Ventus XS model number, overclock edition also from MSI, 1650 Super, DDR6 4 GB. And next I used this motherboard from ASRock, B450M steel legend motherboard. So nice motherboard from ASRock. A lot of features, 3000 AMD Ryzen 3000 desktop and 2000 desktops. Ryzen processor also can be used in this motherboard. Nice motherboard. And next comes to the processor, CPU from AMD Ryzen. Model number is Ryzen 7 2700. 8 cores, 16 threads processor. Base frequency is 3.2 GHz. If you want to overclock this CPU, you can overclock it. You can get the frequency 4.1 GHz. Nice. I brought this CPU for editing and streaming purpose. You can do anything with this CPU processor. Nice Ryzen 7 guys. I have ultimate processor. So next in this build, this one is Lenovo D2720, 27 inches monitor, LCD monitor, LED backlight. So amazing look guys, it gives you accurate colors. So it looks nice, good. So next one is cabinet. In this build I used Chiptronex HX1000 cabinet. So it includes four RGB fans, front side 3 RGB fans, and back side 1 rear fan, front side 3 RGB fans, back side 1 normal fan. So it looks very nice. It has very huge space and all this. So I already installed all these products in this. I'll show you now each and everything. It looks amazing guys. I will switch on now. Just wait guys, I'll power on this one. See guys, awesome CPU. Oh, yes. I already installed Ubuntu software on this CPU. Nice looking, amazing. It performs very well. So I'm going to show you now. See guys, amazing PC. So I have an amazing experience building this PC. So it looks awesome. Awesome RGB colors, always synchro. So yes, amazing PC here. So I'm going to show you these parts now. See guys, here. So this one is AMD Ryzen 7 2700 processor. So this RGB fan comes with AMD processor only. I installed here processor, and this one downside is 4GB graphics card from MSI DDR6 and 1650 Super. It's nice graphics card. One HDMI port, one DP port, and one DVI port. So awesome guys. And downside is power supply from Antec 650 watts. So I installed 2 RAMs from Corsair, 8GB, total 16GB, 32 megahertz. So this cabinet from Chiptronex HX1000. So got windshields, airflow, nice design. It looks amazing. 27 inches LCD monitor. It gives you perfect colors. Nice, amazing experience building this CPU. So it contains motherboard from ASRock B450M steel legend. It contains number of options: audios, HDMI, USB 3.1, 2.0, DP port, HDMI port. It contains LAN port, M.2 slots, each and everything it has. And for storage, I used Samsung 970 Evo Plus 500 GB, amazing SSD slot, M2 NVMe M.2 slot, amazing guys. So keyboard and mouse wireless from Dell. So building this PC, it's nice experience for me. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. We'll come with an amazing videos. Thank you.